making the points. Attach your yarn to the bottom right-hand edge, as shown in the video. You will be working across the 168 single crochets you made previously on the finishing row. First point, row 1, chain 1, and single crochet the first 2 single crochet together. Single crochet in each of the next 20 stitches. Single crochet the next 2 stitches together. Chain 1 and turn, leaving the remaining stitches unworked for the next points. 22 stitches made for the first point. Row 2, single crochet the first 2 single crochet together. Single crochet in each stitch until the last 2 stitches. Single crochet the last 2 stitches together. Chain 1 and turn. 20 stitches made. Rows 4 to 11. Repeat row 2 until only 2 stitches remain. Single crochet the first 2 stitches together. Single crochet in each stitch across the point until the last 2 stitches. Single crochet the last 2 stitches together. Chain 1 and turn. Row 12. Single crochet both stitches together. End off and weave in the end. Second point. Attach your yarn in the next stitch to the left of the point just made, along the bottom, and repeat rows 1 to 12 at the beginning of this video. Third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh points. Repeat all steps above. Do not worry if the piece does not lay flat. You will be gathering across the top. Finishing blanket row 1. Attach black yarn to top right edge as shown in the video. Chain 1 and single crochet in the joining. Make 2 single crochets over each double crochet and 2 single crochets in each space across. End with a single crochet in the last stitch. Chain 1 and turn. 122 single crochets made. Row 2. Single crochet the first 2 stitches together. Single crochet in each of the next 38 single crochets. Single crochet next 2 single crochet together 21 times. Single crochet in next 38 stitches. Single crochet last 2 stitches together. 99 single crochet made. End off and weave in the end. Set the cape portion aside and move on to the next video where we will create and attach the hat.